for listing. WPC 5371 2021 Lordship. The matter is regarding pension.
WPC
5371/2021.
22nd, next Wednesday.
Deeply obliged, Lordship.
Lordship, for a listing of a matter, Lordship, WPC number 2395 of 2022. Matter is related to regulation of ad hoc appointment with respect to service of teachers of provisionalized schools, Lordship.
We'll have it on 23rd,
Lordship, any day.
23rd.
From daily list, order vacating item number 1.
Yes, Mr. Mahanta, what's the matter about?
My lord, see, Lordship, my lord, provincialization, my lord. Similar matters, my lord. Around 7 matters have already been disposed of by this honorable court, my lord, where my learned friend only appeared as the writ petitioner. Similar issue, my lord. Which has,
Do you have a copy of the order?
yes,
Pass
all
the-
the copies I have.
Yes, Mr. Das, what's the, is it covered by the same decision?
No, my lord, here little bit distinction, my lord.
What is that
My lord,
distinction?
my lord, distinction is hearing that here, my lord, that the affidavit has been filed, my lord. By the director of elementary education, my lord. And my lord, this, my lord, you also has a call for the record also, my lord. Record is before your lordship.
The last occasion we have submitted the record as per the desire of the court.
So, my lord, in this, as part of this, my lord, that affidavit filed by the my lord, director of elementary education, my lord, it has been very apparent that, my lord, the petitioner hearing is the social science teacher, my lord. So that is the issue, my lord. All the records is before your lordship, my lord. They have filed their affidavit, my lord. They have asserted. And my lord is very much ever, my lord, in raised to the which is your lordship, where the intermediate order is passed, my lord.
In the order I have, what I've produced, my lord. Or these things may not be gone into by this court, my lord.
No, my lord.
Tribunal and-
Record is before your lordship, my lord. They have filed their affidavit, my lord. They have taken their stand. My lord, what, my lord, further more is required?
I mean, all the
All
other
the
matters.
records, my lord, they, my lord, appeal that, my lord, the concerned authority will decide on basis of, my lord, what? On basis of record. So there is no any bar, my lord. They cannot restrain the honorable court from adjudication, my lord.
If my learned
It
friend
is
has completed,
absolutely, my lord, misleading. Why they have faith, my lord, if that the matter is adjudicated by, my lord, departmental officer, but they are not, they do not have the faith before this, my lord, the adjudication of this honorable court. Very simple issue.
Mr.
my lord.
Mahanta, it is Anjan Mili you're talking about?
my lord, the order what I have, yes. No, my lord, the
No,
other
that
one,
has not been passed by your lordship, my lord.
the other.
Come on.
My
That's
lord,
not
the
the
only
issue.
question what your lordship would pose to my learned friend, to whether the facts and everything were similar in the matter. This matter got detached. It should be fair enough to the court, my lord.
Yes,
Similar
I am
matters, these
very much
appearing as the writ
fair
petition.
enough.
A coordinate bench has already decided, my lord. Fair to the court at least, my lord. Around 6 to 7 writ petitions, my lord. All the writ petition, my learned friend appeared as the writ petitioner.
Mr. Das, whether the name of the writ petitioner was forwarded to the, by the district scrutiny committee?
My lord, not forwarded. Not forwarded, my lord, but the DLC, my lord, very in their, my lord, minute. It has been, my lord, stated in, my lord will find, my lord, affidavit. And my lord, may I make a prayer, my lord, that my affidavit, my lord, it is perhaps in the record, my lord. That has been kept in record on the earlier occasion, my lord, I have handed over. Then, my lord, in the minutes, it is very much clear, my lord.
There is an order passed by my lord, authored by my lord, on the same circumstances.
Borua.
It has been upheld by the division bench.
Just a minute, take your seats.
Can I give the orders, my lord, authored by your
It's there,
lordship?
it's there, right?
Read the Tajuddin.
Mr. Das, where is the appointment of the petitioner as a language teacher, social science service teacher?
My lord, that 2017 Act, my lord.
No, you are claiming that you are a social science teacher,
My
right?
lord.
Where is that order? Where is that order? That's what we want to know.
My lord, just I have filed an additional affidavit, my lord, in the writ petition, my lord. Prior it has been, my lord, will file an affidavit, my lord.
Just a minute.
The appointment letter is page 10, my lord, of my learned friend's petition. Page number 10. End of January 98.
Mr. Das, at page 16,
My lord,
this is forwarded by whom?
my lord, of the writ petition, my lord.
By whom?
My lord, which my lord, the writ petition?
Page number 15 and 16. In the 15, it is a field verification report. So tell us who recommended this.
My lord, that has been prepared by the my lord, block elementary my lord, education officer. This has been my lord, forwarded.
Who is appearing for the state?
My lord, I'm okay.
You have the writ petition?
Yes, sir. Page 16.
Just a minute. Mr. Fukan, I don't know what will happen. Please come this side.
Well.
Now, page number 18. Serial number 116, 117, and 118.
My lord. No,
These are the teachers.
Amulya Prasad Saikya, Krishna Rani Datta, and Devi Ram Tahu.
These are the persons whose services have been provincialized as tutor or teacher, whatever,
My lord,
right?
My lord.
Now, please come to page number 13. You are there?
Yes, I'm there.
Down below, serial number 4.
Krishna Datta.
Down below,
Down
there are serial
Oh.
number 4.
Yes, yes. Ma'am.
All subjects.
All subjects 1, languages 2, mathematics 3, environmental studies 4, sports 5, music 6, science 7, arts craft 8, others 0.
Now, please come to the heading main subjects taught. You will first see serial number 1, then name of the teacher, then then date of birth, then everything will see. That way you will come on the top, you will see main subjects taught.
Yes, ma'am. I've come.
Now for the Amulya Prasad Saikya, main subjects taught 1.
1 minute.
All subjects.
Thogiram Das 1.
1 minute.
Read petitioner 1.
1 minute.
Trishna Datto 1. Right?
All subjects.
All are all subjects. Nobody is specialized in any language. Nobody is specialized in any mathematics and science and mathematics. Nobody is specialized in
Any of the
social science. Now look at their qualification. Please come to page 15, then turn on page 16.
15, 16. Rupali, my lord, no,
First you see Amulya Prasad Saikya,
my lord,
B.Ed
DLAD.
diploma. Then Trishna Datto, BSc diploma.
My lord,
Thogiram Das, higher secondary.
high secondary.
Then Rupali Noro,
BA.
BA diploma. Deviram Tahu, BA
BA.
Ratno. Then Lasit Noro,
Ninth
9th
pass.
pass. He is a probably grade 4.
Great.
Okay, he is a grade 4.
Yes, my lord.
Now, if all are teaching 1,
My lord.
then who is senior?
I am the senior most, my lord.
My lord, Omulya will be senior.
He joined on,
4196.
he joined 4196.
4196.
Then Thogiram Das,
Program Das has joined on 4185. 4186. 86 is senior. 86. 86 is Program Das is the senior.
please come to page 15, column number 17 is the date of joining.
Page number
15. Now, please come to this side. Against the name of the Amulya Prasad, date of joining is 4/1/1996.
1996.
Against the Trishna Rani Datto,
2008.
2008.
17/3/2008.
Thogiram Das, 1986.
86. He is the senior most.
Rupali Noro,
Rupal Nora is 98.
90.
5198.
98.
98.
And Deviram Tahu.
Deviram Tahu is 2006. 510. 6.
Now, if all subjects have been teaching this, why Deviram Tahu? Deviram Tahu is here is 1. He is not appointed as a language teacher. All are 1 in the dice code.
All subjects.
Then only because he is having that Ratna degree, do you want to say he was teaching Hindi? Now, which Hemi school tell us Hindi is being taught in Assam? Which Hemi school? In no Assamese Hemi school, Hindi is a subject.
That is also true. Error on the thing.
Neither the petitioner nor the respondents, including the state respondents, have any objection with regard to this particular dice entry.
Hello, it's made by the HM.
We don't know. This is by dice. This is under the dice code. This is nothing else.
SSA. Actually, the SSA.
Nobody objected.
My lord.
So, heard Mr. B.K. Das, counsel for the read petitioner, and Mr. A. Fukan, standing counsel, Department of School Education. Elementary Goitiba, for the respondent number
Not,
1, 2, 3,
4, 5.
1, 2, 4, 5.
485.
Also heard MS Didas Government Government Advocate Assam for the respondent number 3. Mr. P. Mahanta, Learned Council,
6.
for the respondent number 6. What about 7 and 8?
I'm for 7 Lordship.
You are for 7. Anyone for 8?
8 is dead.
8 is expired, my lord. It has expired.
When did he expire?
During the convention of this
So during the pendency of the writ petition, I've been told. 21. The writ petition, my lord, the allegation are not against me, not one sentence, against 6. It was against 7. I was just made a formal party because I was the headmaster, my lord. So the stay was passed in.
Mr. Das, when did respondent number 8 expired?
My lord.
When?
My lord, I would just put it, my lord, I don't know the exact date. My lord, some death certificate is with them perhaps.
When did the respondent number 8 expire?
My lord, that exact.
You are from the same school.
Yes, yes, my lord. But he was, my lord, he was bedridden. Subsequently,
Lekha.
my lord,
Petitioner, the respondent number 6, respondent number 7, and respondent number 8. All are appointed as an assistant teacher by the school managing committee. All are appointed as an assistant teacher in No Bhanga Janojati ME within bracket rural school in the Uzoni Majuli education block of erstwhile district Jorhat, presently district Majuli. Since its fancy stage. The petition number 1. Sorry, petitioner joined the said fancy school. Petitioner Likha, graduate with diploma in elementary education, joined the said school on 05/01/1998. Whereas on 4/1/1998, sorry, 5/1/1998. Whereas the respondent number 6, headmaster of the said ME school, joined the service on 04/01/1996. The respondent number 7 joined the said school on 5/10/2006. And the respondent number 8 joined the school on 4/1/1986.
He died on 14/7/21. I have the death certificate. 14/07/21. Responding.
The claim of the petitioner is that she was teaching social science, please take your seats. To the students of the St. Francis School. However, when the matter was taken up for consideration of provincialization of the services of the teaching and non-teaching staff of the said school under the provisions of Pura 2017 Act as amended, the name of the petitioner, name of the respondent number 6, respondent number 7, and respondent number 8 were considered by the authorities concerned and provincialize their services under the said 2017 Act as amended, disregarding the claim of the petitioner. Being aggrieved, the petitioner filed this writ petition on 04/03/2021. While issuing notice to the respondents, the court on 12/03/2021 found that the respondent number 6 was a teacher of all subjects, whereas petitioner is a teacher of social science. And since section 3(1) within bracket small 11 of the said 2017 Act as amended allows the provincialize of only one science teacher, language teacher, and social science teacher. Comma. Directed the respondent authorities not to provincialize the service of the respondent number 6, not to give further benefit of provincialization to the respondent number 6, which is still in force. Being aggrieved, to decide interim order on the date 12/03/2021. The respondent number 6 filed an interrogatory application being IAC 2859/2022 in the present writ petition for modification, alteration, and vacation of the said order dated such and such. Though the respondent authorities did not file any affidavit in the matter, placed the record of the District Scrutiny Committee Jorhat, District Scrutiny Committee within bracket elementary Jorhat, regarding recommendation of the teaching staff of the said such and such primary school. Holding the names of the respondent number 6, 7, 8 eligible for provincialization, and that of the petitioner and another namely Thugiram Das, not eligible for provincialization on the ground of non-availability of required enrollment.
Lordship, one thing,
Yes,
Lordship, we have actually filed our affidavit.
you have filed.
Yes,
When?
we have filed on, just give me the copy.
Oh, yes. The Director of Elementary Education has filed an affidavit in the matter.
Well,
Stating that as provided under section 13 within bracket 5 of the say 2017 Act, 13.5 and 13.6. The District Scrutiny Committee the concerned District Scrutiny Committee, after scrutinizing the relevant documents, prepare the list of all venture educational institutions, including such and such for even now Banga Janajati Institute, and recommended the name of the respondent number 6 and 7 for provincialization. And in the same recommendation, the DSC observed, the concerned DSC observed that the petitioner and an teacher is not entitled for provincialization. Right. The provincialization of the respondent 6, 7, 8 is a tutors report. Accordingly, the state level scrutiny committee recommended the names of the respondent number 6, 7, 8 for provincial level day services as tutors under the 2017 Act. From the report of the DSC Jorhat pertaining the Novanga Janata School, it is seen that the respondent number 6 was teaching English. And the respondent number 7 was teaching Assamese, whereas the respondent number 7, respondent number 8 was teaching Assamese, whereas respondent number 7 was teaching Hindi. The DSC report clearly reflects the report of the district scrutiny clearly reflects that the petitioner was teaching social science. The determination of provincialization, teaching staff of any such venture education institutions as provided under 2017 Act as amended is not pertaining to the seniority or relating to the ME school, venture ME school, is not relating to seniority. But the requirement is as noted above, 1, 2, 3 for science, social science, language. The response number 6 as well as the response number 7, both were teaching language respectively English and Hindi. And as per the provisions of 2017 Act, only one language teacher could have been service of one language teacher serving in a venture school could have been provincialized. The finding of the DSC is very clear that the petitioner was teaching social science in the state. The dice data. Dice block 2 already. District Information System for Education within bracket dice. Data of the said Nobhanga Janajati ME School with dice code number 0416-107. Annexed to this petition. Clearly reflects that the school in question is a 3 classes co-educational upper venture upper primary school, and the petitioner response number 6, response number 7, as well as response number 8, as recorded in the said data. Dice data reflects that they used to teach all subjects. Section 13. Then Friday, 13/11, Friday, 13/12. Since the section 13/11 provides, as noted above, section 13/11 of the said 2017 Act provides that the state level scrutiny committee is required to cause physical verification of all institutions and to inspect all documents and records produced before it and call for such other records and documents as may be required for the purpose of causing verification. In the case in hand, it is seen from the records as well as the affidavit of the Director of Elementary Education, Assam, who is also the chairman of the state level scrutiny committee. Apparently, without verification of relevant documents, provincialize the services of the respondent number 6, 7, and 8. Name of respondent number 7 was considered. 6, how can be 3? One science teacher is required.
6 and 7 consider.
She's not made a
No.
party, my lord. Krishna
6 and 8. No, 6 and 7.
6 and 7.
That's provincialized. Merely on the recommendation of the district scrutiny committee in Jorhat, without considering the fact that there is a requirement of social science teacher in the same school. And the petitioner was serving as a social science teacher. The court, after perusal of the relevant documents and the records and the affidavits of the Director of Elementary Education, found that the state level scrutiny committee did not verify the relevant records pertaining to the subjects taught by the petitioner, the respondent number 6, as well as the respondent number 7. It is brought to the notice of the court that the respondent number 8, Thogiram Das, assistant teacher of Assamese, assistant teacher of the state school, teaching Assamese, expired on 14/07/2021. In that regard, a death certificate issued by the Register of Births and Deaths, Zangrai Mukh, Mini Public Health Center, Majuli, Assam, will place before the court. Accordingly, the provincialization of the service of the respondent number 6 set aside and passed. The section 14 of the such and such properly as such. The petitioner as well as the respondent number 6 may prefer an appeal, the respective appeal, before the chairman state level scrutiny committee. against such recommendation of the such and such provincial their services on or before 2702. 90 days after hearing the petitioner and the response number 6 and other provincialized tutor of teachers of the said such and such school. After intimating the petitioner another. Okay. 90 days.
My lord, just one request, my lord. My lord would not say that he was teaching social studies. That let them decide.
That report of the DSC, we are not on that.
The
There is no
dice
finding.
says all subjects. my
All the
lord.
relevant documents, we have made it clear.
That would influence the authority, my lord. Lordship says, my lord, that he was
We'll make it clear, don't worry.
teaching social science.
Because that is the recommendation of the DSC. We are not doing anything else. In view of the order passed today, the connected I civil number 2859 will in touch with status.
Lordship,
The
another small,
relevant records be such and such to be returned to the standing council. Department of School within Beckett Elementary Education. Next,
deeply obliged.
Item number 2. For implement of article.
who has filed this application? Who has filed this application for improvement?
Mr. Das.
Lordship, on the last occasion, Lordship was pleased to ask the records.
Records are with you.
Yes.
Whether your lordship is taking up the implement application or the whole.
Let us see. If not required, will not required. If required, we'll make it complete. We'll see the records first. Whatever. But madam, I have to leave for the airport to see of Justice Singh.
Yes.
I'll be going because his lordship is going alone. Nobody else will be accompanying him to Jammu. I feel bad. So myself, brother Jamir and brother Buzurgura probably.
Problem.
So secure leave for today.
Okay, sir.
We'll be coming in the afternoon, no doubt, but we don't know.
Then
At that time, we'll
Yes,
sit
yes.
in or not.
tomorrow, day after tomorrow, any problem? No problem.
Tomorrow again, our Chief Justice is taking vote. I have some responsibilities, so I'm not giving you time.
Day after
Next
tomorrow?
week, yes,
Next week,
there.
yes,
Next Thursday, you can consider, no doubt. Thursday, you can consider.
next
but
Thursday.
Coming Thursday, 16th. But one thing is that morning I have a session at Judicial Academy. I may be little late coming back from Judicial Academy. So let it be in the list.
Next week, lordship, I have no problem, next week.
Let us have it on 16th, 41st, 16th. If it is possible, otherwise we will give you a date on 16th. Okay?
16.
बाकी केटा matter next week or date it.
Some urgency in item number 13, my lord. I'm praying for 21st or 23rd.
Let us see.
So this matter Lordship has fixed on 16. Lordship.
Mr. Sisti, you will have it on.
Yes. Record, I will.
Records.
Keep it with you. Keep it with you. Produce it on that day. You said 13th.
30. This is regarding selection of the post of principal in Ukrazar College. Lordship has already retained the records of APC. She is
I remember.
entering the in charge principal post of this.
That's right. So let us fix it on 22nd. We don't know what kind of bench will be allotted to us for the time being. Otherwise, we would have fixed it on a hearing day. But let us fix it on 22nd. Yes, Mr. Rafa, any problem? 22nd? 22nd.
My lord, item number 3, my lord, part heard matter. It is fixed on 28, my lord.
28 it can come. I'm for the private respondent.
Item 3 that I remember.
Is for the petitioner. madam.
Monday? 20?
Twisted.
20.
20.
Monday.
All right. 20.
Okay. Anything else? On that matter, we need to hear. We'll give you a date because it should be better. We should hear it on a hearing day. 23rd, Mr. Sharma.
My lord, 23rd is a bit difficult, my lord. Can it be on 28th, my lord? It's a Tuesday.
Why?
23rd, my lord, outstation also. Matters.
Okay, on 28th.
Tuesday, my lord.
Tuesday. Okay, thank you. बाकी के सब so for reconcile, get for it. Not so for separate. First you could did very sorry.